In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix we're having a trouble with Valorant Incompatible Software Component Detected ENE.sys error that is happening for many users right now and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here in the File Explorer. Now from here, go to the local disk. This PC. Now from here, we have to get into the folder local disk C. Now from here, get into the folders Windows. Now from here, we have to scroll it down and navigate to System32. Now from here, we have to get into the folder Drivers, get into the folder Driver. We have to get into this. Now from here, what you need to do is inside this, we have to search here for the file over here. We have to search here that ENE.sys. Just search for this particular file, you'll be able to find it. Once you find this particular one here, what you need to do is if you find this, you have to change it, right? You need to change the file name to ENE.sys to .old. You have to add just .old, which means you have to rename the file, then change to this, then you have to save it, then you have to close it, then you have to go back to the game, then you have to launch it. Whether that's going to work or not, most probably you can try with it. Sometimes it might work. If not, what you need to do is if you're having any kind of softwares like RGB Fusion, then Razer Synapse 4 and uninstall them, and you have to check, and also you can check with it. And still if you're having the trouble, just go over here to the right client, directly navigate to the Valorant. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to check whether you're having any update, just update it. If you're having any other option, just go for it. Or you can just click on this one over here and directly navigate to the settings, select the Valorant, make sure that you uncheck this, go for repair. After the repair, you have to launch the game and you have to check. And this is what we have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it, bye.